In 2019, the president of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, publicly announced that Indonesia would relocate its capital. Jakarta is the current capital with close to 35 million people and is therefore the second largest urban area in the world, only surpassed by Tokyo. Being the capital of the fourth most populous country in the world, it is an important center for finance, business and trade in Southeast Asia. Moving the capital in a country from one city to another is an immensely expensive and time-consuming project. Yet, we have seen this happen several times before. Take Brasilia, for example, which became the new capital of Brazil in 1960. So, why does the Indonesian government plan to move the capital away from Jakarta? Jakarta has been the capital city of Indonesia since the country formally gained independence from the Netherlands in 1949. The city has prospered economically through the years, with a rapid growing population. Because of this, Jakarta is massively overpopulated. The overpopulation of the city has led to enormous congestion of traffic. And adding further to this issue, there is a lack of good infrastructure for public transportation. Furthermore, the city is facing issues of growing slums and urbanization of green areas. All of this makes the city less appealing. But the biggest problem the city is facing is related to water. Jakarta is a sinking city. The city is sinking with several centimeters every single year, making it the fastest sinking metropolis in the entire world. As the city is sinking, floods become more and more regular, and since the city is sitting by the coastline, sinking results in the city being inundated by the seawater. It is expected that as much as 1/3 of the entire city will be inundated by the year 2050. But why is the city sinking? The main issue is over-extraction of groundwater. This is water lying underneath the city, being extracted for the use by residents. Empty space is left behind when water is extracted, and this means that the ground will logically sink. Adding to the issue over the groundwater is climate change. While the city is sinking, the seawater levels are rising, consequently worsening the whole problem of flooding and inundation of the city. With the many problems faced in the current capital Jakarta, plans were officially made in 2019 in relocating the capital of Indonesia. The plan is to build an entire new city on the island of Borneo, in the province East Kalimantan. The new city will be named Nusantara, and the President Joko Widodo had this to say about the relocating of the capital. The location is very strategic. It's in the center of Indonesia and close to urban areas. The burden Jakarta is holding right now is too heavy as the center of governance, business, finance, trade and services. The new capital city is set to be inaugurated no later than in August of 2024.